Meet the HP Jet Fusion 5200 Series 3D Automatic Unpacking Station, designed to automate the unpacking process. Now you can achieve consistent unpacking results through an automatic process with an industrial-grade solution. Ideal for unattended, fast unpacking of small to medium-sized parts, allowing you to repurpose labor to other tasks within your workflow. The process starts when the cooling cycle is completed inside a natural cooling unit. The job is then ready to be unpacked, and the 3D printed parts can be extracted for further cleaning and post-processing. For the automatic workflow, the natural cooling unit is picked up using the recommended Hoffman forklift, and then moved to the automatic unpacking station. The natural cooling unit is placed on top of the platform with the lid opened, and the RFID sensor registers and reads the identity of the unit. Once all the pre-unpack checks are completed, the job is transferred to the automatic unpacking station. The empty natural cooling unit can then be removed using the forklift and stored, ready for the next job. After the correct unpacking mode is chosen on the station's touchscreen and the top lid is closed, the automatic unpacking process can begin. Vibrations of the internal platform are employed in conjunction with vacuum and air blasting to remove and reclaim the loose powder from the parts. The process can be optimized for a specific build design using the station's process knobs. At any time during the automatic unpacking, you can check process status and access historical job data through the HP 3D Center dashboard. In as little as 30 minutes, the automatic unpacking process of a full build can be completed. The non-fused material powder can be recovered and stored in the external tank for reuse in future builds. For certain geometries, your workflow performance can be further enhanced by enabling the reclaim of more non-fused material powder. The parts are finally delivered, ready for further post-processing through a side door in an unloading box. After every use, the automatic unpacking station can be easily cleaned, and the external tank can be switched to the processing station after several jobs have been completed, so the unused material can be reused in future jobs. Achieve consistent build-to-build unpacking results fast, with reduced manual handling of the material powder and reduced post-processing labor with the HP Jet Fusion 5200 Series 3D Automatic Unpacking Station.